are known as your waiter service. That means waiter is required, waiter is mandatory. And whatever the types I said, all those types of services can be done when the guest is sitting on in front of the table. Then only you can done these kinds of services. That means the waiter can carry the food, and as a waiter he cannot give it to in your hand. It's a professional areas. There we have to be maintain so much of manners. So where he will keep it, he need to, the waiter need to keep that food in front of the guest, and he need to place that food on the table. That is the reason the other name of waiter service is table service. Till the time I think I am clear. So English service, American service, French service, Russian service, gurido, and the last one is tray. All these six types are comes under your waiter service. So waiter service, the classification of waiter service, there are six types. There are some boys and girls, at the interview time, at the exams times, they face the problem, they miss out the names. So I will suggest you, I will give you a small tips on that. Okay, whenever you need to remember the waiter service or the types of table service, that time remember 4 country name. If you are able to remember that 4 country name, it will be easy for you to remember. So 4 of these types, one is English, that's a country name. America, famous country name, all of we know that very well. French, France is famous for football game, so again a very good name. And Russia, they are always famous for their army and soldiers and all. So 4 names I quickly remember by remembering the 4 country name. Along with that I just need to add service: American, English, French, Russian. Apart from these 4, if I need to remember 2 more, one is gurida and the other one is tray service. So this is all about waiter service and their classification. Now just a single line I just need to make you understand. So English service, there is other name of English service. A very popular service is known as silver service. The other name of English service is silver service. Lot of time in interview people going to ask you what do you understand by silver service. So silver service are type of service where the food server, where the waiter is actually involved and he going to serve the food. He will be going to serve the food from platter or wherever it is, where he is holding the food, and he is going to serve it to your plate. So those kinds of services are known as your English service. American service, the other name of American service is pre-plated service. What does it mean? In these cases, the waiter going to carry the dish from the kitchen and he will not touch the food, and he will just directly place the plate in front of you, just placing the plate in front of you. Am I clear? Are you understanding the difference between English and American? In English, the guest, he will be presented with a empty plate, and then finally the dish from the platter, the service person will serve it. And these kinds of services is normally done from the left hand side. And if it is a pre-plated, where the waiter will not touch anything, he will just come from the right hand side and place it from the right hand side in front to the guest. French service, the other name of French service is family service. So family service is like where the family people, where the group of people will come to your restaurant, and the server, there can be one server, or there can be more than one server, depends on how many guests are coming, and they will present all the food in front of in front of the center of the table basically. And then the server will offer to the host of that particular group to serve, and if the host will tell to the service people, no, I don't want to serve, you just serve it to all, then the server, they will take the food from the center of the table, and then they go slowly to round the clock, and then they will serve it to the guest. So those kinds of services are known as your family service. The other name is French service. Russian service, it's the other name of Russian service is sideboard service. Sideboards, all of you know that the French name of sideboard is dummy waiter. Each and every restaurants, they have depends on the size of that particular restaurant, they have their sideboards. And now in these kinds of services, this is also applicable for a mostly applicable for a group of people, and it can be sometime for individual people as well, depends on the culture of that restaurant, depends on the work style of that restaurant. In this scenario, what will happen, guest will order for a food, and all the food, the waiter, they will collect it from the kitchen. They will, after collecting from the kitchen, once they will enter to the restaurant, they will not directly go to the table. They will first keep the food on the sideboard. In our country we call it as a side station, and that side station also have a for these kinds of service, the side station also have a special kinds of features. The side station have, on the top of that side station there should be a heater or something warmer, it should be fixed, so you can keep the food on that warmer, so food will be remain hot for a long time. And from the sideboard, then slowly one by one dishes that server will serve it to the guest. That is the way they do, because they are using the sideboard, because they are using the side station, because they are using the dummy waiter, the other names of sideboards. That's why these kinds of services are known as your Russian service. Gurido service, as I said, this is the first term. This is a unique term for you, maybe if you are not read French before. So Gurido is nothing but it's a French name. The meaning of Gurido is trolley, and a trolley means, I'm not talking about the regular room service trolley. These kinds of special trolley will it will be a bit heavy in weight. It will be a lot of features. For an example, there will be the cupboards under that tray, sorry, under the trolley, where you can keep the cylinders and all, and on the top there will be the oven, so chef can make the food lively in front of the guest. In front of the guest, chef can make, and there will be some spaces where you can keep all the spices and all. So whatever things is required for cooking, that is normally kept in the kitchen, but in these kinds of tray, I'm extremely sorry, I'm using tray. In these kinds of trolley, basically there will be some spaces where you can keep all your ingredients, and then you can lively cook in front of the guest to make him surprised, to make him more happy. So these kinds of trolley services are known as your Gurido service. And the last one is tray service. Tray service, all of you know that very well. There can be a square shape of tray, there can be a oval shape of tray, there can be a rectangular shape of tray. So if you carry the food items on these kinds of tray and then finally present to the guest, so those kinds of services will be considered as your tray service. That is the way we have done with the waiter service. All these types of services, which are comes under your uh, you know which are basically comes under your trays, waiter service. The limitations and the advantages are like more or less same, so I am just telling you few common advantages and some disadvantages as well. So advantages is like waiter service, so individually guest can get that waiter for serving of that food. The server will come to the guest, and at the time of service, if anything is necessary, if any good feedback, if any bad feedback guest need to give, guest can give it easily. So more or less all types of waiter service are a personalized service, so guest satisfaction, chances of a guest satisfaction will be much more higher. The disadvantages of these kinds of services, you will be trained waiter, then only he can handle the guest, so you will be required more skilled person to do these kinds of services. And apart from that, more and more advantages and disadvantages are there, and that thing I will share you on my notes. I will give you some notes. On that notes you will get all the details. I'm just going through the main points. So next type, first one was your waiter service and table service. The next one is your self service. Self service means a type of service where the customer is responsible for his own service. There there you will be not required any F&B service server, food server, or F&B service waiter to serve them. They will keep the food in such manner. For an example, buffet is the one of the good example. You enjoying the buffet, that time what the service people they do, they have only responsible for refilling of the chefing dish. Rest of the things guests will take their plate by their own, they will take their food by their own, they will sit. If they want to stand up and have their food, they can do it. So these kinds of services are known as your self service, where no service person is involved. As a guest, as a customer, as a consumer, you will be all responsible for your taking care of your food. Advantages of these kinds of self service is like, you no need to wait for the waiter, it will save time. ठीक है. And disadvantages is like, there are a lot of disadvantages in this self service. If you